Thanks so much for staying with us, taking a live look outside on the CorWinAuto.com Valley Sky Cam. Part of the Storm Team Sky Cam network. Cloudy skies, quiet conditions for now. Later on today, that snow rolls in, and we're going to see quite a bit of snow before all is said and done early Friday morning. It is 8 out there right now here in the Fargo-Moorhead area. -5 is what it feels like over in Moorhead. Temperature of 7. Elsewhere across the region, it is -7 in Thief River Falls, 2 below in Crookston, 1 above in Detroit Lakes, also 1 over in the Wadena area. Today's winds generally right now out of the east and northeast around 5 to 10 miles per hour. They'll pick up just a bit later on today, 5 to 15 miles per hour with some gusts over 20 miles per hour. And right now those winds are creating some sub-zero wind chills out there, as cold as 8 below over in Devil's Lake, -5 in Valley City, 1 below in Fergus Falls, 8 in Bemidji. That is also the air temperature. Very little wind in that area. Cloud cover, we've got quite a bit of that though, and we're going to see more and more of that. Clouds thicken up and start producing that snow, and that's what we're seeing. And checking out the webcams out west, we're starting to see some of this reaching the ground out here. So this will continue to slowly spread on off towards the east and the northeast as we go through time today, overspreading the entire area. And the entire area is under a winter storm warning. We'll show you that here in just a little bit. More snow off toward the south, parts of South Dakota, Nebraska, rain showers in parts of Kansas and Oklahoma, and severe weather later on today, including a risk of tornadoes in Texas this afternoon and this evening. For us, no severe weather, but a lot of snow to deal with. And again, that's slowly going to make its way on in as we head through this afternoon into tonight. This is the first of 2 rounds of snow. So this first round makes its way on through as we head through tonight. Maybe a brief lull in parts of the area, and then it will start to fill in once again. The second round, primarily about the southeastern half of the area. It's going to be a pretty sharp cutoff to the snow off towards the northwest. Where we do get the snow tomorrow, look at the winds. We're going to see some very strong winds as we head through tomorrow in the valley of the Red River. Could see those winds gusting over 50 miles per hour. That in combination with some moderate to heavy snow. We're going to see some blizzard conditions are a pretty good bet as we head through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night. That snow finally winds down by early Friday morning. How much snow are we talking about? Well, a lot, just about anywhere you are. 4 to 8 across the north, locally higher amounts. 7 to 12, a little bit further south than that. 10 to 15. Some areas could see over 18 inches of snow before all is said and done. And this is storm totals. This is all the way through Friday morning. And keep in mind, as we head through tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow night, a lot of that snow going to be blowing around. So right now, winter storm warnings in effect for the entire area for those 2 rounds of snow. But I suspect parts of this area, especially as we head through tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening, going to be upgraded to a blizzard warning as we head through, and may even be areas beyond that. So we'll continue to monitor that, but right now it looks like travel will become difficult, if not impossible, over parts of the area as we head through tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night. It's going to be quite tough later on today and tonight as well. Picture of the day, a frosty scene in Valley City. Thanks so much to Brett for sending this in. We're going to use this as the backdrop to our 7-day forecast. And again, some light snow that becomes heavier overnight tonight. And as we head through the day tomorrow, again, that chance for snow, some of that locally heavy with some strong and gusty winds. And we'll continue with that chance of snow early on Friday, along with some windy conditions. Those winds subside as we head through the day on Friday. Saturday, just cold after a morning low of it's hard to say, -21. Back into the teens briefly Sunday and Monday, and then a frigid start to 2019.
This is just a real few hard days to look at. It looks rough.
Yeah, it's a 1-2 punch on this Boxing Day.
Most definitely is. Thank you, Robert. Yep. And speaking of Boxing Day, we explore the sport of boxing coming up on the Valley today.